Looking to start trading with FxPro? Here's how to download your trading platform in just a few easy steps. First, head over to FxPro.com. Once you're there, click on the Trading tab in the main menu. From the Trading tab, select the platform of your choice: MT4, MT5, CFDs, or the FxPro platform. On the platform page, you'll find all the installation options. Download the desktop version for Windows or Mac, or access the WebTrader directly through your browser. For trading on the go, download the FxPro mobile app available on iOS and Android, or you may use the MetaTrader or CFDs app if you prefer. Once your platform is installed, log in using the details sent to your email. If you're using the WebTrader or mobile app, simply log in with your profile email and password. Ready to start trading? Download your platform now and trade with FxPro, where performance meets precision.